In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your wanted level on the GTA 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, once you have launched the GTA 5 game, you might get some wanted levels if you just start randomly wreaking havoc within the game. Now, once you have enough wanted level, you will be pursued by the law enforcement within the game, and they will actively be on your lookout. Now, in order to escape the eye of the law, and in order to return back to your game, you will need to escape the scene where you committed the crime. Just grab a vehicle and start driving in any direction. Once you have escaped the law, once you are no more visible, you will see within the map menu that the law enforcement will now have a spotlight icon. Once this takes place, make sure to avoid the spotlight at any cost. Hiding under a bridge is a great way to escape the police. Once you hide within a bridge or escape the spotlight for a few seconds, you will notice that your wanted level has now disappeared, and now the police will not bother you anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reduce your wanted level on the GTA 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.